Hello, my friends. Guess what? It's the first of the month. What does that mean? That means there's a new stamp and die release. I am so excited to share it with you. Are you ready? Get set. It is called Posies2stamp. And it is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to color more of these flowers. It's so hard. I design these and then it's like I have to wait so long before I can really get to play with them. And I am in love with them because there's a couple different options here. First of all, we have this gorgeous flower here, and we're calling them posies. We have this gorgeous flower here, and then we have one over here that's a little different but similar. And then you can add it, you can layer this one, or you can do it that it's already layered. So much fun, and I have the most amazing samples. Where flowers bloom, there is hope. Keep on growing. Enjoy. You are a fabulous friend. You are one of a kind, and with love and best wishes. Now, stamp members, yours is already on its way to you. Ken gets up extra early on the first of each month and gets those in the mail ASAP. Now, if you love stamps, but you want the dies that match, that's the most popular one. That is the Die Hard, and that means you get the same stamps as the stamp and the dies that match. And look at how fun that is. So you're getting all of these. You're technically getting 16 dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 dies. But some of them have more than one cutout. So you're getting a ton of fun dies. Love it, right? Isn't that awesome? Now, let's look at all the amazing samples because, as I always say, my design team is absolutely amazing. So here is a mini slimline card, and we have 3 of those posies on there, and you're going to notice that, wow, look at that little extra stamp in the back. See those little lines? That's coming in the next video. But look at how gorgeous that is, and die cut so beautifully using our small mini scallop slimline on the back to make that cute little frame. Love it. Open it up. I'm so lucky to be your friend. Isn't that gorgeous and stunningly beautiful? And you know what? Not much coloring in here, if I do say so myself, because just you wait. This yellow is not coloring. So those of you that don't like to color, which you got to try those tri-blends, but if you don't like to color, this stamp set is for you. Here's another one that I absolutely love with the fun decal edge frame cutout, which I absolutely think is wonderful. Cheryl made this one because there's 3D ink on here. Again, those beautiful flowers just making that gorgeous background. So fun. Here's a gorgeous one. Look at this one. Again, we have our flowers with our solid stamps because that's a separate add-on, but look at how beautiful that is. Wishing you the most beautiful day. Oh, and I even see our stitched rectangles in there. Here's another one with the stitched rectangles. Stitched rectangles just always add just a little bit extra more of an element to your cards, and it makes it just stand out even more. Here's a gorgeous one. Let your dreams blossom, just with die cuts and inking those edges. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just inking the edges of those flowers make them look like this. Outstanding. Isn't it beautiful? Then taking that frame from your stitched rectangle and turning it a little bit at an angle. Right? Isn't that amazing? I love it. Now here's a cute one. Look at this. Using our A2 scalloped edge card. Keep on growing. So beautiful. And on the inside, you are one of a kind. I absolutely love that. Making your own background paper with the stamps. So fun. Here's another one. Look at this. Oh, this is a stand-up. This is fun. Look at this. Hey, keep on growing. Now, this stand-up's fun because it also has a doily on it. You know how much I love my doilies, right? And it folds flat for mailing. It's the doily 3 in this set. And the cute little bow. Look at that. Which bow is that? That's the large bow set. Look at that fun little bow. It's a faux bow because it's a paper bow. We have a die cut that makes all different sizes. You can buy the medium or the large or the mini to make these fun bows. Isn't that cute? And this is using the square stand-up. I love it. So it stands up. It's perfect. Ooh, here's one using our jar folded. I love this. Look at all these gorgeous flowers on there. You can bend and shape the leaves, so the petals of the flowers to make them stand up a little bit more. You are one of a kind. Oh, and here's a gorgeous one using that burlap netting die in the background. I'm telling you guys, I love that die set. It is so much fun. And look at these gorgeous flowers, adding some little foam dots in between. Open that up, another fun little frame right here using that burlap background. So awesome. Now, club members, of course, you also get the handy dandy postcard to show you all the other items that go with it. Again, stamp members and Die Hard, yours are on their way to you. Now, if you're not in one of our kit subscriptions, you need to check it out. Go to our website and check out the subscriptions. We have so many different fun things that you can be involved in. We have the stamp, we have the Die Hard, we have the card kit, and we have the new, or the newest, Fold It. And that is, what's a Fold It? It's a shaped card, kind of like that jar I just showed you. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check it out. Club members, don't worry, yours are already on their way to you. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.